It's Monday. It's time for us to talk technology, and our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us right now on Power Talk. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Well, we're doing really great, and we've got a really interesting story today from KQED, the public TV station in the Bay Area, and it's about the unassuming heat pump and how that could be a way of, I guess, combating climate change is what advocates are saying. So tell us what you know about this.
Yeah, so as we know, the climate has been getting hotter. We just experienced that the last couple of weeks, especially if you're in the Central Valley, where it got over triple digits for several days in a row. And so people are using their air conditioning a lot more. And the problem with traditional HVAC systems, heating and cooling systems, is that they typically use gas to heat and they are not very climate friendly. So California is encouraging people and incentivizing people to replace their existing heating and cooling systems with something called a heat pump. And a heat pump works on electricity, but it's very efficient in moving cold air from one place or warm air from one place to another. And so therefore it's much more climate friendly. It doesn't use gas since it's an electric device, and it's much more efficient. So if you are looking to replace an AC or actually thinking about getting one now that the temperature outside is getting hotter and hotter, you might consider a heat pump instead of a traditional air conditioning unit.
I notice that in a lot of new construction, people are opting for heat pumps. A neighbor of ours just built a new home a year ago, and they went ahead and put a heat pump in that house instead of a traditional system, and he said it would be a way for them to save on their electric bill winter and summer, very energy efficient as well.
Yeah, exactly. We're looking at replacing our traditional HVAC system here in our house, where we've lived for 22, 23 years, with a heat pump, and they're not that expensive, and there's all sorts of rebates and reasons to do it from both local and state resources.
All right, and they are at least twice as efficient as gas furnaces that is, and they can cut a home's carbon pollution by 40 to 50%, so that is significant. So we're going to learn more about heat pumps as time goes on, but that's all the time we have for today with Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, alvareztg.com, at alvareztg, that is the X handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.